What's up, guys? This is BSide Investing. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please feel free to like and subscribe. And let's get on to our 100K challenge. Now, since the US market is closed, there isn't much action per se. But, well, I was just talking about mainly the ones in the Bitcoin miners in the US market, like the deal ones, like HIVE, Bitfarm, and just the Mara and right, because they obviously there's more volume there, so there's more action there. So today not much really moving much. What do we got? Like maybe Bitfarm fell 1.4, BTC was up overall. Let's see. Yeah, today it was up. I think this one fell all the way down to what, 671. Okay, 671. Yeah. All right. This is the BTC ETF. I mean, it pretty much mimics Bitcoin ETF. Okay. Let's see. DeFi not moving much. DGHI was down. Not sure why. I don't think there was any news. Let's see. DMG was down. Galaxy was up. HIVE was down, and HUT was up. And yeah, not much drastic change. I think we're up, like, not up. We're down minus 1%. So that's around $100. So yeah. So let's just look at Bitcoin in the past. This weekend, let's see. It did go up this weekend. I mean, I was expecting it to go down. So it hit 35, almost 36, and we're down now. So it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. But generally, we should see the miners go up. In terms of the other companies, there isn't much on it. There's no news today, of course, because dual listed stocks, they're not gonna give out news for just the Canadian miners, Canadian market to react and then not have the US side. So they will most likely they'll do it tomorrow morning if they have it. If not, then it is what it is. So let's see. So there is one stock that might benefit. If you didn't know, in Ontario, we are we're pretty much like coming closer to opening up. Kind of like now it's stage two. It's not really even that much. Restaurants, you can't really go inside and eat. You have to, like, it's like a patio thing, and then gyms are not open. And I don't know, maybe it's just that I'm in Toronto, GTA area. It might be a different story for smaller towns. But when I watch MLB, mainly just baseball. When I watch the Angels or the Blue Jays play, or the Padres, actually, when I watch their highlights, there's like a lot of people not wearing masks or anything. But of course, you know, they are COVID tested, like, and pretty much they have vaccinated. They've been vaccinated and everything. So that's a different story. But you know, it's a really different feel, like Canada and US. Not much different of a country, but like very drastic in terms of how we are, how we're dealing with this COVID situation. So, so if we look at Ontario stage 3. Okay, so here's a look at what stage 3 COVID reopening really means. So that's opening in 3 weeks. So there's still some time. If you want to check out the article, it's by Global News. Okay, so I'll just go to the meat of the bone here. So it looks like larger indoor-outdoor gathering allowed and indoor dining reopening. That's good news. Indoor sports recreations. Okay, that means gyms are opening. Indoor seated events attraction. Okay, so that means the cinemas are going to open, and casinos are opening, and other outdoor step 2 of activities will also be operated outdoors. Indoors, looks like ceremony. greater expansion for capacity. Okay, so in 3 weeks, if nothing changes, if all else is the same, then we will have gyms opening and we will have cinemas opening. So cinemas, why am I talking about cinema is because, and why I did go through that stage 3 with you, the Ontario stage 3, is because of Cineplex right here. And Cineplex is our movie theater. It might be AMC for you guys. It might be a different company or brand of cinema for you, but for Ontario and in I want to say in Canada overall in general, it's Cineplex. And Cineplex, it's really good. Like I love I like the feel of it, like the quality and everything is really good. It's just it's closed right now, and there's a bunch of movies that are out, and it would have been a different experience just watching them in the theater rather than just on the laptop. So obviously when they open, the seating limitation will take in effect, but the capacity, that's what I mean. I wonder if it's gonna hinder too much, because they've been closed literally for, Jesus, how long has it been now? I want to say since October, November. They've been closed. Matter of fact, they've been closed for like 9 months, 10 months now. Jesus. Even the gyms, like Fit for Less, LA Fitness, everything, Good Life. Yeah, and it's not good. I mean, why would you close the gym? Like, it just doesn't make sense, because you need people to like this. It needs to, like, you know, this to deal with stress. You need something, and physical activity instead of just walking outside. Gym, it makes more sense. You know, the capacity, they've been doing really well. Like Fit for Less, that's where I go to. They do a really good job. I mean, the capacity is like maybe 20, 30 people in a big space, like really big, and like after using each machine, you just wipe that thing down, and they're really consistent with it, and you wear a mask inside. Like, yeah. Anyways, right now they're doing some outdoor gym stuff, but no, I'm not feeling it. I'm more of an indoor gym guy. So, okay, so the company, like obviously you can see, Cineplex, wanted to talk about, it's up 5% today. So the reason why they're up today is because there was an opening here in Burnaby, BC, in British Columbia. So that's really cool. So they're slowly starting to open up here in British Columbia, and yeah. So just a small announcement or a small news, like small reopening, is having as like a 5% effect. I wonder how big of an effect it'll have when Ontario opens. Ontario and Quebec, and there's, if you don't know, like I want to say 60 to 70, like a really dense amount of population lives in this southern Ontario and Quebec, like this South Ontario, that dense area. Okay, so just for visual purposes, you see a lot of check marks and all that. That's just because, you know, that's a place where I've been to, and that's where I want to go and stuff like that. But yeah, so from this area all the way to, I want to say, till Quebec City, this area, there's let's just go with 4 major cities, because Mississauga, those areas are kind of like GTA, but then there's Oakville, Hamilton, and London. Yeah, that's what I mean to here. From here all the way down, London, Sarnia. What's here? I forget. I think this is, damn, Windsor, right? Windsor. I'm so bad with this. So yeah, pretty much this whole area is still yet to open, and Southern Ontario, it's really like, it's huge area. So once this area gets opened, the bigger part of the Canadian population, you know, that their revenue is going to start growing up. And I know they didn't really have much revenue at all, actually. They were just doing some Uber Eats stuff, like maybe I don't know how much that's going to bring in, but it's really minuscule. Like they just sell popcorn and stuff like that, but that's only at certain hours. So yeah, right. So with what happened to AMC, I mean, this could literally happen to Cineplex. I mean, just go check do your research on Cineplex. I mean, like it says right here, the month of July is important for Cineplex, you know, as it could see some herd buying from Redditors. So yeah, I mean, you could literally see more people, like a lot of people just going to watch movies now, because it's a different feeling, like, you know, going to movies and stuff. So of course the kind of like the trend, general trend is shifting towards apps and subscription based model of viewing movies and TV shows, but there is still a nostalgic feeling of going to a movie theater. So I just wanted to show Cineplex. It says $16 at the moment. I believe they were at $30 range before COVID hit. Once COVID hit, it just pretty much tanked. They're everything. Like, look, since October, they're up 2x. So if you invested at $5, you're looking pretty solid right now. So yeah, a 4. Oh geez, yeah, you're looking really solid. Damn. Okay. Yeah, so just wanted to bring Cineplex to your attention and check it out. I think once July happens, Q2 numbers will not look that great, but it will look at least somewhat. There will be somewhat of a revenue, and then Q3 we should see some good numbers. And once slowly most of the Canadian are kind of vaccinated, it'll be really easy to kind of just go to movie theater or anything. So yeah. Okay. In terms of a portfolio, I mean, I don't know. There's not much to say. I mean, I want to see what news and any activity would happen tomorrow. Where, like, I want to pass this $6,000 threshold, this barrier that's been there. It's like a block for us. Yeah, I wanna pass that $6,000 block. So, let's make it happen. Hopefully this week we get past it. So yeah. Okay, hopefully Cineplex is not a new company. I mean, it's, you know, it's the company's market cap is only like $1 billion, and that's Canadian. So yeah, I think that's it for this one. Like I said, do your research on Cineplex. Check out their financials and all that stuff. The reopening will really help it. Yeah, that's gonna help out, because right now they're not open. Like, the malls are open, so sorry, not the malls. I mean, the stores are open and stuff like that. And yeah, gyms, Good Life, those things, and movie theaters are gonna kind of get the benefit now. So slowly, stage 3. So it's gonna take another 21 days. So that's on the 26th. So around the end of the month. So you still have like 3 weeks to kind of just do your research and check out and put it in your watch list, see how it moves. But I might add a small position into Cineplex. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.